Hi children, today we will go to the bonbitv farm to see the animal there. See, today all the dogs very tired, so the farmer helped them to guide the animal to the field. First, that is the horses. One horse doesn't want to go by car. He follow back of the car to field. She loves the grass. Chicken picking up the corn on the ground, and the car come to take them. Today they will move to the new house. Hey hen, hurry up! We're going now. The new house very nice. The car turned back to pick up another animals, and now the cow. They run around and says, hurry up, we are hungry. The cow climbed up to the car. And the car brings them to the field. They are happy because green grass there. Oh, yummy. Look, there's some water here. Come on, friend. It's great. In the ground, they run around to find the food, but had the cat run follow. Oh my God! Don't catch me! I will go away.